Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can get customize your own voice on ElevenLabs. Now, the first thing we have to do is we have to log in into ElevenLabs, and the next thing is that we have to click on create or clone a new voice. Now, we have usually when you create an account, we have three slots used. Now, I will click on add a new voice. Now click on voice design. Now I will tell with the prompt that I have to create a voice that I like. So example, if it says an old man, British male with a raspy, deep voice, professional, relaxed, and assertive. Now let's see. When I generate it, so we have one voice. Now this is the second one. Now and there's three. So, this is how you can customize and create your own voices on ElevenLabs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.